Hi, it's Brady out in the greenhouse. I just want to answer a few questions people were messaging me about. One of them was, how do I store my seeds over the winter? What do I keep them in afterwards? Basically, after I dry them out and everything on my windowsill, I just get a basic white envelope, or I have whatever envelopes I have. This is gold, left over. And I just put them in here. You can hear them. They're all dry. I just put the name, the month, and the year that I dried them, and I just basically masking tape. That's simple. And then I just keep them, this container I got from the dollar store, I just keep them upright and everything. And then after I did that, I went to Michael's and I actually found these. They were on sale. They come in different colors. There's a latch so it doesn't come apart, and then they come in various colors. You get all colors, all one color. I like rainbow. And basically I sort them by which ones I have. So these are my cucumbers, are in the pink, and you can pretty much store a bunch. I got the smaller envelopes here, and I write the name, what seed it's from, and the number when to order it. So I keep them all pretty much. The cucumbers are in one. Then I have my herbs in another. So I just pretty much sort them by that. These are my different types of lettuce. They're two because I grow a variety, which I love. And then I have my tomatoes, which I have a big variety, so they're the yellow. Eggplant, zucchini, the different varieties. These are my peppers, so I have two things of peppers. And then the bigger ones, my peanuts, which are so fun to grow with kids, and they're delicious. And then I have my flowers. So that's pretty much it. It's simple. This one I got this year, so I moved to this. But since I've been gardening, this has been my simple, easy way of doing it. Nothing fancy. I did find these, which are mini seed ones. So with doing like this, I did find that if you tip them, even with the masking tape, some escape out the sides, which aggravate me because then I don't know which one seeds are which when they combine. So I did learn through experience, and I did order these on Amazon, and they're like just little ones. They have a seal, so you could open it and seal it, because I did find with these ones, when I pull the tape off, then I had to put another one in, and sometimes it rips it. So gardening's all about experiencing, learning what works, what doesn't work, and sharing so other people's know and don't have to make your mistakes that you do. So these, I could write the name, the date, everything. They seal, so I could open them and then seal them. So I'm excited to do that. So all my seeds I have in here, tonight I am going to transport into these. So hope this helps. Share anything that you do with storing your seeds, what works for you and what doesn't. And if you have any questions, just reach out and let me know. Have a great day.